All Conquest commercial water heaters are equipped with an alarm on any failure functionality. When the Temptrac control is energized, the internal digital input to alarm function is activated. However, it is only monitored during a call for heat and becomes deactivated when the gas valve is energized. If the gas valve is not energized within 3 minutes following a call for heat, the Temptrac control will assume that ignition did not occur. It will then shut down and trigger the alarm. When any safety device or remote proving interlock prevents the burner from firing within the time required for the ignition trial, the Temptrac will initiate an alarm notification. This notification is indicated in the following ways. A flashing alarm message AL2 is displayed on the Temptrac screen. A high-pitched beeping audible alarm will sound. The dry contacts at field terminals A1 and A2 will close with a 3 amp max load, and the alarm register is accessible through the Modbus RTU communication option. When an alarm has occurred, the Temptrac controller must be reset to resume operation. To reset the Temptrac once the alarm is activated, attempt to determine and correct the safety device which caused the condition. Once the condition is corrected, the Temptrac can be reset by pressing any button. We will simulate an AL2 alarm fault by shutting off the gas supply to the burner while the unit is operating. We see that this low gas pressure condition caused the ignition control to lose its flame signal and immediately attempt to relight the burner by initiating a call for heat sequence. The ignition control will make 2 more unsuccessful attempts to light the burner and will then lock out. After a brief delay, the Temptrac control will sense that ignition did not occur and will shut down and activate the AL2 alarm. To troubleshoot an AL2 alarm condition, do not immediately cycle power. First, reset the Temptrac control by pressing any button. If a call for heat is present, the Conquest should attempt to restart. An AL2 alarm may be caused by one or more of the following fault conditions. A temperature limit condition is exceeded. The airflow proving switch failed to close during the time required for ignition. Flame did not successfully establish during the time required for ignition. A flame or low gas pressure condition has occurred. A field interlock remained open during the time required for ignition. A low water control or low water condition exists. Or the double pole double throw relay in the alarm circuit is faulty. The following steps are recommended to troubleshoot an AL2 alarm. If the blower fails to start, check for a loss of power to the motor or for motor failure. If the blower starts, check to confirm the air switch is closed. Check to confirm the low water cutoff is energized. The LED should be on. Check to confirm the high temperature limit thermostat is closed. Check the field interlock terminals C1 and C2 for continuity if remote wiring is attached. If no other faults are found, a flame failure may have occurred. Now cycle power by turning the water heater power switch off and then on. Check the hot surface igniter for proper amp draw. 3.5 to 5.0 amps is normal. Check that proper gas pressure is supplied to the burner, and check to confirm the ignition control is supplying 24 volts to valve terminal V1. If the double pole double throw alarm relay is defective and no other problem is detected, switching the power switch off and then on following an alarm should restart the water heater until the relay can be replaced. If the frequency to recycle the water heater in this manner becomes a nuisance, or if a replacement relay is not immediately available, the alarm timing function can be extended temporarily to eliminate nuisance shutdowns until the relay is replaced. To temporarily extend the Temptrac alarm timing function, first enter the password protected programming menu by pressing the set then down buttons together for more than 3 seconds. The name of the parameter is on the upper display and its value is on the lower display. Press the up button to select parameter PR2 in the upper display. Its value, PAS, is shown in the lower display. Now press the set button. The value, 0, is displayed in flashes. Use the up or down buttons to input the passkey, 321 in the flashing value. Push the Set button after each entry. Now use the up or down buttons to scroll to the I2D parameter. Press the Set button and the value in the lower display will start blinking. Use the Up button to change the I2D parameter value from 3 minutes to 250 minutes. Press Set to store the new value. Note that the next parameter and value is now displayed. To exit, press Set then Up buttons together, or wait 30 seconds without pressing a button to return to the home screen. Remember to return the I2D value to 3 minutes when the defective relay is replaced. For additional product information and assistance, please visit our website at www.pvi.com or contact PVI Technical Support at 1-800-433-5654.